Hello, thank you for joining me today. I am Pastor Maxwell Nawihe. No business advice. Have you heard people make such a statement? I need no business advice. I don't need your advice. This is my business. I want to run it the way I want. This is my project. This is my investment. I don't need your input. I've had that a lot of times. But the question is this: is it possible to succeed in business? Is it possible to succeed in budgeting, in investing in real estate, in saving, even in leadership without advice? How successful will an entrepreneur be in marketing, in wealth building, in business scaling without business advice? I don't know. If it is possible and you are watching, please put your comment in the chat section and tell us how. Is it possible? This is Faith and Fortune Finance. We guide you on step-by-step strategies on budgeting, on investing, on savings, how to build lasting wealth and prosperity, how to live a debt-free life. We upload videos every Wednesday and every Sunday. The long-form videos, the short-form videos every Wednesday and every Sunday. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so you'll be the first to be notified each time that we upload video. And please follow us on our socials. Do you know that business is like war? Business is really like war. In fact, war is business. War is real business. The manufacturers of ballistic missiles and rockets, they want them fired. And they cannot just fire rockets or ballistic missiles without war. They want them fired so they can manufacture and sell more for profits. Yes, the manufacturers of jets, jet fighters, jet bombers, warplanes, they want them to fly in the sky. They want live ammunition to be fired for their marketing profits. Yes, but no country actually goes to war without advice. No nation of the world goes to war without advice. How could people go into business without advice? Because business is like war. There is a lot of battle in the business world. Whether in the corporate organizations, there is a lot of war going on. In the Iran-Israel war, the Iranian ballistic missiles were fired into different Israeli cities, causing severe damages and human casualties. Israel fired rockets into Iran, leaving trails of devastations on the Iranian soil. This is business because they will need more weapons to win the war. So there will be more shipments of ammunition. But without advice, they would lose the war. A lot of advice are right now on the table of the both nations. In the Russian-Ukraine war, a lot of advice pouring in on the Russian part, pouring in on the Ukrainian part. But the time of the Soviet Union, the Holocaust, in Nazi Germany, there were a lot of advices. What are you going to do as a businessman, as an entrepreneur? Number one, surround yourself with wise advisors. Yes, we need advice, but we need wise advisors more than just ideas. We need ideas for our businesses to thrive. We need ideas in budgeting, in saving, in investing, in wealth creation, in building lasting prosperity, in scaling our businesses. But we need wise advisors. Without wise advisors, we will not have wise and profitable ideas or advices. Without wise advisors, you lose the business war. You need to understand this. Without wise advisors surrounding you, guiding you step by step, you lose the business war. And this video is one of the advisors that you need, because we're giving wise advice to you on your investing, your businesses, your budgeting, your saving strategies to help you live a debt-free life. Wise counsel helps you to make sound decisions. If you don't have wise advisors, wise counselors, you cannot make sound decisions. Avoid blind spots. Avoid them. And one of the ways to avoid them is through wise advisors. Stay humble to receive wise advice from wise advisors. This is going to help you. Great leaders, they don't walk alone, regardless of how educated they are, regardless of how influential they are. They don't walk alone. They surround themselves with wise advisors for leadership and business success. So, surrounding yourself with spiritually grounded and experienced advisors builds a firm foundation, very, very strong foundation for long-term success, not just short-term success. Proverbs 15:22. Plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors they succeed. Whether it is in strategy, whether it is in finance, whether it has to do with marketing or ministry, please seek advisors who seek God, who fear God, who understand when the Spirit of God is telling them what to tell you for you to succeed in your business, in your project. Seek for such advisors who understand your vision. It is only the advisors that understand your vision are qualified to give you advice on how to succeed in business, on how to build wealth and lasting prosperity. Avoid echo chambers. They are all over the place. Avoid them. Build a team that challenges you with the truth, not just agreement. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I believe. I agree with you. Not all the time. Rather, a team that will always challenge you, not out of insult or usurpation of your position or prerogative, but in humility, challenges you with the truth, not just agreement. I am Pastor Maxwell now here, and I will see you again in another powerful video. Bye bye and God bless you.